Just wait. Dude, this is unfucking real, dude. How the fuck has nobody thought of this? Holy shit. Look at this look at this, dude.
What is that?
It's fucking, alright, it's this stuff.
Plasti Dip?
Plasti Dip. Plasti Dip.
Was it like
I don't know, dude.
Plastic?
I had tools, right? And I needed new handles for them. So I was like, I went to Home Depot and I bought this to give my tools new handles. Cause, you know, and then I was like, wait a second.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
What's the biggest tool I use? You know, so.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then I just, look at that, dude. This is groundbreaking.
Dude, that's like.
All right, not sure if you guys have ever heard of this, but it's Plasti Dip, and we're gonna paint the whole 7 Series with it.
Okay.
Never been done before. Alright, so the trick to doing this is you want it to be below 40 degrees outside. Okay? You want to do no prep work at all except for some tape.
Yeah, definitely you need this dirt right here.
Yeah,
that makes it stick. Yeah.
It's common science. And rust, this stuff, you just spray it right over rust and it's gone for like 3 to 4 years until it
really
rots the whole car away. Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. That's like next level shit right there.
It really is. Wow. I don't know. I don't want to say it's better than BMW paint, but it's close.
You be the judge. Look at that reflection.
Look at that reflection. And look, when it dries, way better reflect. That actually looks that looks really good. Holy shit,
it's
dude.
Like glass.
Look at that satin.
So if you guys have faded paint and you know, it looks like this, and then you want it to look like this, Plasti Dip.
Who knew?
Who knew? Who would have thought?
I think ricers are really gonna catch on.
Yeah, I would say. Oh, dude, you got a new lip?
Yeah, look at that fitment, dude.
Wow.
Shit's mint. I'm trying to get a feature on Stance Nation.
Alpina?
They keep telling me I don't have what it takes.
Why?
Hopefully this Plasti Dip will do the job.
What if we Plasti Dip the headlights?
I was gonna do it, but
I did. I was like, oh no.
That panel right there.
Take me. Goddamn 8.
Christian's coats are so nice and Zach's about to fuck it all up. Oh, look at that pause. Look how nice it's looking. Holy shit. Put the Alpina lip on the front. Boy. Can't really see it, but oh, it's there. Looking for a grill now. This is getting thick as coats.
Brought the car into the garage so we can get that prime coverage.
Alright, so the hood is a huge thing, so it's probably going to be tiger stripe as fuck, so I'm really nervous about doing it, and I don't want to do it. And it's going to take like 4 cans to do the fucking hood.
Yeah, but
that's what's
it's going to come out mint though.
And the lip, look at the lip inside. You couldn't see it when I was outside.
Oh yeah.
It just makes the whole thing like a flat, like
Yeah, the Alpina.
Looks good.
Alpina lip, courtesy of Kyle Soran. And one headlight is covered.
I think we're gonna take this.
Yeah, definitely gonna take that thingamabob out. Kidney.
You kidding me? God damn it, dude. That's like almost a cord above the left one.
Oh.
There's a cord up on top. Yeah. Like go above that.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, now go. Yeah. You gotta pull both at the same time.
This is a 2001 BMW 750iL. Back in 2001, this thing was the absolute king of the road with a V12 up front, tons of technology, and classic BMW styling. It is also my favorite luxury sedan of all time, and today I'm going to show you why.
Jesus Murphy!
Kidding me? Whoop! That didn't happen.
That was that truck.
Yeah, that's yeah. Oh yeah.
Lame.
I feel like they won't be that noticeable. Oh, you can kind of see them over there.
Huh?
You can kind of see them right there too. If you look at it right angle.
Not on the front door.
Yeah,
It's not on the front door.
There is it right here.
Yeah, it's coming out foamy. Look at it when I spray it. Watch, ready? See, looking in it.
Oh yeah.
It's like soda.
Yeah, it definitely needs to be warmed
dude,
up.
look at that.
Yeah, Plasti Dip does not do good in cold.
You want to get a bowl of water?
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. Do do do. Wow. Not bad at all, dude. It looks so good on camera.
And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. And when I die, make sure you spread my blood on a BMW. Microphone attached to my head so I can